Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials. Your Microsoft account and an active Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription are required. Once those are in place, make sure your device is updated and connected to a stable network, 10 Mbps minimum, faster if possible. Now open the Xbox app or a supported browser. Sign in with the same Microsoft account tied to your subscription. You do this first because cloud gaming verifies subscription and account ownership before letting you proceed to. Once the app or browser page loads, tap Play or Cloud Gaming and enter your Microsoft credentials when prompted. You might need to complete two-factor authentication. Do that promptly to continue. After signing in, check your profile or memberships section to confirm Xbox Game Pass Ultimate is active. That verification is the gatekeeper for streaming. Make sure the account shown matches the one with the subscription. If it does not, sign out and sign in with the correct account before attempting to launch a game. To finish, pick any cloud-enabled title and press play. The service will reserve a session and begin streaming to your device. Use a compatible controller or touch controls as appropriate, and make adjustments to streaming quality in settings if performance issues appear. If it fails to connect, sign out and sign in again, test your network speed, and clear the app cache or browser data. These steps reset credentials and temporary files that often block login. If problems persist, retry after rebooting your device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.